So good afternoon. Today we're going to discuss about design thinking approach on linear integrated circuit. So basically, design thinking approach analyzes under 5 stages. The first stage is about the empathy. So empathy is about the identification based upon the global and social needs of the people. And second is the define. So we're going to find a solution for that particular problem statement. And next is the ideate. So we're going to give some technology related to that problem statement, and we're going to find a result for regarding that problem statement. And in the fourth stage, we have to create a prototype related to the problem statement, and finally the testing analysis will happen for this complete application. So this is the 5 different stages analysis for the linear integrated circuits in the design thinking approach. Today we are students going to give the each stage analysis for the linear integrated circuits.
Yeah, let me start with the empathy. So many electronic devices such as microcontroller boards, sensors and communication modules require a stable 5 volt DC. But in real life situations, users faces problems like voltage fluctuations, noise and damage to components when using unregulated power supplies. So understanding this user's needs highlights the importance of a safe, reliable and stable power source for electronic circuits.
So define. The main problem identified is the lack of constant and regulated high voltage power supply for the low power electronic device. The voltage variation can cause manufacturing, data loss or permanent damage to sensitivity components. Therefore, the challenge is to design a simple circuit that can provide a constant voltage output regardless of input voltage variations.
So basically the problem statement and the ideate part or the define part or whatever the empathy part is created based on the people's feedback regarding the particular application.
For the ideate, to solve this problem, we can use an IC7805 voltage regulator and a commonly used linear integrated circuit. The IC7805 can regulate and input the voltage between 7 volt and 12 volt and provide an fixed voltage of 5 volt. And the supporting components such as capacitors are added to reduce ripple and improve their stability.
A prototype of a circuit is designed using a step-down transformer, rectifier, filter capacitors, and the IC7805 voltage regulator. The unregulated DC voltage is applied to the input of the IC7805. A stable 5 volt output is obtained as the output terminal. The prototype is easy to assemble and uses a low cost components.
Testing for the circuit is. The circuit is tested by connecting different electronic loads such as LEDs and microcontroller boards. The output voltage remains close to 5 voltage even when the input voltage or load changes. The result confirms that the design meets the user requirement for a stable and reliable power supply.
The conclusion is the design thinking based approach clearly demonstrates how linear integrated circuits can be used to solve real world applications and engineering problems in systematic and user focused manner. By following the 5 stages empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing, the solution addresses the actual need of the user rather than just focusing on technical design. The IZ7805 voltage regulator is based power supply provides a simple, reliable and a cost-effective solution for obtaining a stable 5 volt output, and which is essential for safe operation of modern electronic devices. The testing results confirms that the circuit performs consistently and even under varying input conditions, proving it's reliable and practically. Overall, the case study highlights the importance of combining design thinking with linear integrated circuits to create efficient, user-friendly, and scalable electronic solutions suitable for the real-time applications. Thank you.
Conclude that we can use three different ICs. So initially IC741 is defined for amplification process, and IC555, this is also a 7-pin IC. This is highly used for timer purpose, and 7411, it is used for the oscillator and also for multi-vibrated purpose. So based on the application, these three ICs can be configured. With this I stop the session. Thank you.